Yes, I am doing that, bro. Give me a sec. Hold your horses. I am putting the belt on, mate. There you go. Happy now, car? Oh, it's tight in itself. High tech. There you go. Back to the lovely weather, as you can see. Amazing sunshine. You know, what can I say? It's marvelous. I thought Scottish weather was more tropical, but I must admit English is even better. As you can see, my pal is he's a bit shy to say anything. You know, as you can see, he's got his glasses on. That says everything. Yeah, there we are. Inshallah, it'll improve later as time goes. So, my dear colleagues, once again, farewell, and I'll catch you on the next video. There you go, M6, as you can see, on a Sunday. Not much traffic. As you can see, our wipers going we bit mental here, you know, because of the weather. You know, it's auto wiper, as you can see. As you can see, the lorry not helping us at all. As you can see, that visibility is pretty much low. Once again, signing off, me and FC. Bye.